guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. For today's vlog, guys, we're going to prepare shortbread cookies. So, for the ingredients, we have 1.5 cup. This is our 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Our 150 grams of butter, so unsalted butter. So, we have 1/2 cup of granulated sugar or caster sugar and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna add also our vanilla essence, guys, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, so let's start. Here is our big bowl, so watch and learn. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, press all para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. Okay, so this is soft already, guys. Look at to. Look at guys, ha. Very soft. Okay, so our hands are very clean, so we're just going to use our hands. So now our flour, so and we are going to add our butter, our sugar, our salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Okay, so now we are going to start our journey. So this is what we are going to do, guys. We are going to mix by hands. If you have the mixer, guys, you can use the mixer, but I'm just gonna use like this para hindi siya masyadong ano ba yun, yung sticky. So dito ko lang siya i-mix. Okay? So kuha tayo ng ano, guys, kuha tayo ng tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Kuha tayo ng molding pan, guys, okay? Natin ilagay, guys, ang ating traditional way, guys, of making a shortbread. So this is ready for the oven, guys. Lulutuin natin siya for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Okay? So here we go, our shortbread ready in the oven. Traditional shortbread. Okay? So guys, ito na yung ating final product, guys. We have to sprinkle sugar. Sprinkle tayo ng konting sugar, guys. So ito na yung ating cookies. Sprinkle around 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Yun, guys. Yun siya, guys. Okay? So, i-cool down muna natin. So, I-cool down muna natin guys ang ating shortbread guys. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo later, okay? So guys, this is now our final product guys. Our traditional Scottish shortbread. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Press all para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. Tingnan nyo guys. Test muna tayo guys. Wow. Yummy. Yum. Yummy.